Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Leo fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages. Leo. Okay, first card, King of Swords. Your second card, Four of Pentacles, Five of Swords. So Leo, there are some fighting, some disturbances between both of you, some arguments between you and your person. Five of Swords is here, and Four of Pentacles. So one person not expressing their feelings to their person, even though they have feelings for their person. And Four of Pentacles, sometimes they are holding back their feelings. They are very stubborn. One person in this connection could be stubborn, and one person in this connection is very straightforward, honest, and they always says truth. It could be you, Leo, definitely, because the King of Swords is very honest person. They always straightforward in nature, but one person is not expressing their feelings. They're playing some mind games. Five of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements between both of you. So let's see some more. Okay, see, Judgment. Strength. Ten of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection feeling overburdened. It could be due to the relation, or if any other relation, for any other reason, sorry. And Judgment with Strength. Definitely one person in this connection stand by their power. They're taking back their power. I think it could be you, Leo. You stand by your power. You be like this. Yeah, you gain your power back. And Judgment, definitely you are going to make some major decision. Yeah, but I think your person may be not expressing their feelings to you due to they are feeling overburdened this time. It could be your person. Energy could be vice versa. Let's see some more. Hierophant, Chariot, Hangman. Yeah, I think the disturbances between you and your person due to commitment issues. I think your person in past they didn't commit to you, but now you stand by your power, and for some there is no contact or less contact. Chariot, I think one person want to commit to this connection, want to take this relationship to next level, but another person now is spiritually awakening. They are stuck right now, but thinking about the other person a lot. It could be you or your person. I think it could be your person. I am getting you always there for this connection, Leo. You always want to commit to this connection, but something happened between both of you. Five of Swords is here. So let's see some more. See, Five of Cups, separation for some. The Fool. Wow. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. So definitely for some there is separation, for some there is no contact between both of you. Yeah. One person feeling very sad for the separation, and the Fool definitely want new beginnings with the other person in this connection. They want to take leap of faith. It could be you or your person. Knight of Pentacles, but the energy is very slow moving. Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy, but it is stable offer. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Cancer especially. So let's pull your person current feelings and their near future actions, then we will get more clarity what is going on your connection. Okay, first card, Two of Wands, your person current feelings. Princess of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, your person thinking about you a lot. I think the stuck person in this connection is your person right now, because they are stuck. They are thinking about you a lot. Princess of Pentacles, definitely they want to come towards you. You can expect some communication from your person. And Six of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take. In past they didn't, but now they want to offer equal give and take. So you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, but there are some disturbances still going between both of you. Your person feeling very very burdened, but you stand by your power. You are very straightforward and honest, Leo. You always want to commit this connection, but your person not. Now first, after you walked away after the separation, they realize you both, they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. So let's pull the near future actions towards you. Leo, your person near future actions towards you. Wow, 9 of Cups, 7 of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, so they are wishing for this connection. Their wishes are going to be granted also, because 9 of Cups is wish fulfillment, and 7 of Wands with Ace of Pentacles, they don't want to give up on this connection. Yeah, so if you not responding to them, definitely they don't want to give up. They will try again and again until you give them chance again. Ace of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer long-term commitment this time. Leo, yeah, your person don't want to give up on this connection, because they're wishing, they now realize your worth, Leo, after you walked away. Now they want to offer equal give and take. They thinking about you day and night, all the time, literally. Yeah, they want to send some message, you can expect. Definitely they're wishing, they don't want to give up on this connection, and they want to offer long-term commitment this time. So it's up to you to give second chance or not to your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So let's see some signs. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Ten of Swords. Okay. Ace of Cups. Wow. From this deck. Okay. King of Cups. Emperor. Wow. For some, most of you, there are new beginnings between both of you. Yeah, you both have strong emotions for each other. Ace of Cups and King of Cups, definitely. And 10 of Swords, definitely there are new beginnings, most of you guys, in this connection. Because 10 of Swords means rebirth. Rebirth in the connection. You both want rebirth. And Ace of Cups and King of Cups. Definitely your person have strong emotions for you, Leo. And you also have emotions for your person, the Emperor. Now your person, I think it's you stand by your power. You are very stubborn now, Leo. Because this time your person have to come towards you. Because the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Leo. Yeah, your person also want to come towards you and offer their love to you. King of Cups is here. Yeah. So definitely they want new beginning. The Fool energy is also here. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you. They want to offer equal give and take and long-term commitment, and they don't want to give up. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Leo. You or your person would be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Empress, 5 of Pentacles, and High Priestess. Yeah, you are listening to higher self. Please do that, because it never goes wrong. And 5 of Pentacles, for some, still there is some separation going between you and your person. And Empress, you stand by your power. Wow. See, I think your person looks you like this. They looks you like their Empress. Yeah, you stand by your Empress. You stand by your power. You're looking like their Empress. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Strength, 7 of Pentacles, and 8 of Cups, and Tower. Yeah, they are undergoing some tower moment after the separation. Leo, 8 of Cups. I think you walked away, or your person maybe walked away from you. Then separation is happened. Then you worked on yourself. You cut them off. And you stand by your power. Then they realize you both. And 7 of Pentacles. Definitely they want to invest on this connection now. You already invested on this connection. And Strength. Leo card, it's your card, and your person want to gain their strength back to come towards you. Yeah, Leo card, definitely they are willing for second chance. They want to work on this relationship, Leo. The Fool card is here. Definitely most of you give second chance to your person, so they are very very sad for the separation, Leo. So a lot of water energy is here. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.